How to invest in the stock market in Nigeria. Let's get into it. What's going on, Malians, Jake Paulers, and anyone in between? My name is Nawaf and I make videos about making money online. What is the stock market? The stock market is basically buying stocks or shares in a company. Say you buy one stock for $5 and then the stock goes up to $15. You just made $10 in profit. I'm going to show you guys how to invest right now. Let me hop on my computer. Let's get into it, boys. There's an application called Bamboo. And basically what this application does is it allows us Nigerians to buy stocks in the US and also Nigerian stocks. You can deposit using a bank transfer or your debit card. It depends on you. We're going to hop on my phone right now and I'm going to show you how to set up your account and everything else and start investing. Alright guys, to download the app, just open up your App Store or Google Play and type Bamboo, and once you have it downloaded, click Open. Once you've opened it, if you don't have an account, make sure to register, and once you've registered, type in your PIN that you made to log in, and once you're in, you can click Profile, deposit money, deposit any amount you want. You can use bank transfer or your debit card. It all depends on you. And then you can go ahead and start trading. For example, you can go down, you can invest in Apple, Amazon, Disney, etc. You can even invest in Jumia. If you're looking to grow your money long term and believe in a company, make sure to choose the stocks that you like. And if you're looking to make quick money, but be careful when you use this method, you can look for a stock that costs very little. For example, this stock costs $6.74. You can buy like 10 or 20 of it, and if the shares goes up to $12, you have made double your money. So this is a quick way to make money, and it's also a quick way to lose money if the stocks go down. But remember, if you want to hold your stocks for a really long time and make some money that way, go for it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Yeah guys, thank you for tuning in all the way. Peace out.